Laundry rooms can be big, bright, dedicated rooms with laundry sinks and folding tables and cabinets and hanging rods and tile floors and all manner of luxuries. Or a laundry room can be a washer and a dryer tucked into a dark corner of a basement or a cellar, and it can be anything in between. So in this video, we're going to discuss laundry rooms and how to get them ready to put your house on the market. Hi, my name's Joel Y. I am a real estate agent in the state of Kansas and have been since 2009. And before that, I was a project manager in the residential construction arena. So I've been in real estate practically my entire adult life. And that's where I get the expertise and the knowledge that I can use to teach you to sell your house yourself fast and for the most money. So laundry rooms. You know, everybody's worried about the kitchen. Everybody wants bigger bedrooms. And everybody scrutinizes the bathroom. But the laundry room, it's a little different. Some people really care about the laundry room. But to tell you the truth, most buyers could care less. But the ones that do care are really passionate about it. And whichever, we want to be ready that your laundry room is ready when you put it on the market. So a few things about getting the laundry room ready. If you do have one of those great big fancy laundry rooms with cabinets and everything, then you got it made. Because you can just put everything in the cabinets, you can clean everything around there, and your laundry room will be ready. Say you just have some shelves up here. Your laundry room is smaller. Well, you can stack all the detergents and fabric softeners and anything else that you have on those shelves in a neat, organized fashion, and make sure that outside of all those bottles are clean so that they look nice. And if you have a laundry room that's, you know, the washer and dryer tucked in the dark corner of the cellar, well, do everything you can to make that look better. And that includes, like throw a little throw rug or something down in front of the washer and dryer to make it look a little more cozy. Of course, just like the other laundry rooms, make sure everything is put away neatly and organized and looks good and is clean. And if you are in an unfinished part of the basement or the cellar, which is likely, make sure it's all clean and free of cobwebs and dust and everything else around there. That's a lot of things that we see in the laundry rooms in the basement that make them look so dingy and scary, is that they're dark and they're not clean around there. But you can easily remedy that. And remember, the laundry room is a workspace, and we like workspaces to be bright and we like them to be roomy, to look big. So you know, put a bright light bulb in your laundry room, 75 or 100 watt. And if you have like a hamper where you throw all your clothes and it doesn't take much room and it looks neat, that's cool. You can just leave that alone. But if your laundry room is like mine, where all the clothes are just sort of thrown on the floor or in baskets or just sort of haphazardly, well, make sure that's all picked up and put away somewhere out of sight before showings. And again, like we did with the bedrooms, an easy remedy for that is to get a big plastic bin with a lid or even laundry baskets, and right before showings or before you go to work in the morning, pick up all that laundry and throw it in that plastic bin, slap the lid on it, and then slide it under a bed or somewhere out of sight. And that's it. Laundry rooms really are pretty simple, and they shouldn't take up too much of your time getting them ready, but they're just as important as every other room in the house when it comes to first impressions, which we all know how important that is. So, if you found some value in our videos, then please hit the like button below. It really helps us. And subscribe to this channel and hit the notification tab. And that way you'll be notified every time we put up new videos that are going to give you tips and strategies to help you to sell your house yourself for more money and to sell it fast. Again, thank you for watching.